I want to start with the big picture because we are working our way into defensive signals now. So, this lesson, we're going to be focusing on attitude signals, but I want to just introduce you to the idea of the three types of signals and when they come when, right? How does partner know you're sending an attitude signal or a count signal or a suit preference signal? Or you, when you're deciding what signal you're sending, how do you decide if it's attitude or count or suit preference? Okay, so attitude in this lesson, our follow-up lesson will be count signals, and then our next lesson will be suit preference. So we'll spend a lesson on each, but they all interact. Every bridge hand will have attitude signals and count signals. We're going to find out that suit preference signals are only in suit contracts. So when you are in a suit contract, you're defending a suit contract, you will have all three types of signals. Okay. There are two types of attitude signals that we're going to add to our card. There are two types of count signals that we'll also add. And then there are two types of suit preference signals. And so we're going to nail down which signal is what.